Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna make some keychains. You'll need one of these word charms. I'm using the word called love. You need a keychain ware. Of course, you need a jump ring. We're gonna do it in silver. This is about I think a 10mm. Then you'll need a flat nose plier and your round nose plier. Let's start by opening up a jump ring. Take your round nose plier, put it like this, put it here in between the pliers, find the opening, and twist. See that hole right there? I'm gonna slip it through. Take your jump ring, see that hole? Put it on the opposite side and close. Take your flat nose plier and do the best you can to close it. Make sure it's closed all the way and nice and tight. And there you have it. A nice, beautiful keychain. You want the keychain to be big enough to go on your key ring. But this is what it looks like. I'll do one more on camera. Take your round nose plier, which are these. Take your silver jump ring. You can do yours in gold if you prefer. And put it like this. Take your flat nose. Open it. Take your other charm. Set it like this. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. It makes it a lot of fun, and you can even sell these online, whatever floats your boat, craft fairs. Squeeze. There we have it. That's it for this tutorial. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off camera. But to get you guys started, take your charm, hook it up. There you have it. There's your keychain. I don't know if you guys see that close. And here's the other one. There's the back. And there's the front. It spells the word love. And there you have it. What you need for this project are some keychain. This is called keyware hardware. You need a charm of your choice. You need a round nose plier. You need a jump ring. I'm using 10mm or 8mm. You can correct me if I'm wrong. And you need a flat nose. And that's it. That's all this for tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos, and I hope you guys see you in the next video. Bye everybody.